Welcome back. This is round 3 in TVJ Junior Schools Challenge Quiz. The scores are Crescent Primary on 6 and Mandeville Primary on 5. It's now time for the Junior Challenge Face-Off, which covers math, science, English language, and social studies. Face-Off 1 is in the category of mathematics, and we start off with Nathan Green from Crescent up against Dejanay Bramwell from Mandeville. Nathan, what is 1.68 divided by 1.2?
0.1.
Question passes to Dejanay. Would you like to try?
No, thank you.
1.4. Nathan, what is 11 squared plus 9 squared?
202.
Correct. What is the volume of a piece of wood 7 centimeters long, 8 centimeters wide, and 3 centimeters thick?
168 centimeters cubed.
Correct. Concert tickets are adults $500 and children $300. How much would it cost 3 adults and 2 children to attend?
$2,100.
Correct. What is the denary equivalent of the Roman numeral M, C, X, V, I, I?
1,117.
Correct. Dejanay, your questions. What is 15 divided by 1.25? Would you like to try, Nathan?
No, miss.
12. Dejanay, what is 6 cubed minus 5 squared? Would you like to try, Nathan?
Yes, miss. 191.
Correct. Dejanay, what is the volume of a piece of brick 8 centimeters long, 9 centimeters wide, and 3 centimeters thick?
216 centimeters cubed.
Correct. Each of the 15 passengers on a bus pays $150 for their fare to the park. How much would they pay all together?
$2,250.
Correct. And what is the denary equivalent of the Roman numerals M, L, X, I, V?
1,064.
That is correct. We move on to the science face-off, and this is Captain Caleb Wallace of Crescent up against Jamaica Josephs of Mandeville. Caleb, some solids change directly to gas without first becoming a liquid. What is this process called?
Sublimation.
Correct. What is the name for plants which complete their life cycle in 1 year?
Fully grown plants.
Incorrect. Would you like to try, Jamaica?
No, miss.
Annuals is the answer. Caleb, complete the statement with the correct word. A disease that spreads rapidly throughout a particular area is called an?
Epidemic.
Correct. Which of these items is an example of a conductor? Is it A, wooden ruler, B, pots and pans, or C, an eraser?
An eraser.
Incorrect. Would you like to try, Jamaica?
Pots and pans.
That is correct. And Caleb, how long does it take the Earth to make one complete revolution on its axis?
365 days.
Incorrect. Would you like to try, Jamaica?
No, miss.
24 hours or a day? Your questions, Jamaica. Rusting occurs due to the corrosion of which metal?
Iron.
Or steel. That's correct. What is the name for plants that live for a number of years?
Annual plants.
Incorrect. Would you like to try, Caleb?
No, miss.
Perennials. Jamaica, complete this statement with the correct word. A disease that spreads rapidly from one country to another or to the world is called a?
Pandemic.
Correct. Which of these items is not an example of an insulator? Is it A, rubber ball, B, plastic cup, or C, a metal spoon?
A metal spoon.
Correct. And what is the name for the time of year when both day and night are of equal lengths?
Equinox.
That is correct. And we move on to the English language face-off. This is Khalesia Charles from Crescent up against LaCory Barnes from Mandeville. Khalesia?